Yeah, Jamaica. This one for the youth them we feel trapped. Kingston, Mobile, Spanish Town, Clarendon, every corner of the island. Hear me now. It ain't worth it, youth. It ain't worth it, star. Enough man dead for your postcode. Enough man gone for your war. It ain't worth it, youth. It ain't worth it, brother. One wrong choice today make your mother cry forever. It ain't worth it. No, it ain't worth it. Born in a struggle, grow up in a stress. Mama work 2 jobs but still can't rest. School shoes tear and the fridge nearly bare. Every day feel like nobody care. Politician come round election time, promise wally but them never change life. Road still mash up, youth still hungry. Still a bury friend every other Sunday. Some find gang fi find belonging, some find gun cause the pain too strong. Some start hustle fi survive the storm till blue light flash and life transform. The cemetery crowded, prison them packed. Whole generation fighting for respect them lack. Who I teach the youth for dream, who I show them the way. Everybody talking loud but nobody steer. It ain't worth it, youth. It ain't worth it, star. Enough man dead for your postcode. Enough man gone for your war. It ain't worth it, youth. It ain't worth it, brother. One run choice today make your mother cry forever. Little Kevin wanted football fame. Now him pitch up on a wall with a candle flame. Little Shanice had university plans. Now she raising baby with no helping hands. Too much talent buried in the dirt. Too much future living with the earth. Too much kings never know them crown. Cause the system keep on hold them down. But listen youth, you're greater than the black, greater than the gang sign, greater than the Glock. Your life worth more than a viral clip, worth more than likes on a social script. When the night dark, holla. When the pressure rise, holla. When everybody say you can't make it, holla. Cause tomorrow might be the day everything change. It ain't worth it, youth. It ain't worth it, star. Jamaica need the builders, not another shooting star. It ain't worth it, youth. It ain't worth it, king. Put down the hatred and watch your future sing. It ain't worth it, no. It ain't worth it. To every youth listening, you are not your community. You are not your mistakes. You are not your circumstances. You are bigger than the violence, bigger than the poverty, bigger than the statistics. Jamaica needs you alive. Walk away from the war. Choose life. Because trust me, it ain't worth it.